Working on your vehicle should feel controlled, safe, and efficient from the very first lift. This extra low-profile hydraulic floor jack is designed for drivers who demand confidence and stability when performing maintenance at home. Whether you are rotating tires, servicing brakes, or handling routine inspections, the slim profile allows the jack to slide easily under low-clearance vehicles while delivering dependable lifting power. With a lifting range from just 3 3/8 inches up to 15 inches, this jack is ideal for modern vehicles with low ride heights as well as standard cars. The low starting height makes it especially practical for vehicles that are difficult to access with traditional jacks. Once positioned, the smooth hydraulic action provides steady lifting, allowing you to raise one side of the vehicle with precision and control. Built from heavy-duty steel, the solid construction is designed for long-term durability and consistent performance. Safety is a top priority, and this jack includes multiple protective features to help keep the user secure during operation. A patented bypass device prevents overpumping, reducing the risk of damage or unsafe lifting conditions. In addition, the built-in safety valve provides overload protection, helping ensure stable and controlled use every time. This design is especially appreciated by owners who prefer handling tire rotations and basic maintenance themselves. Users highlight how the low profile fits perfectly under vehicles like electric sedans, making it possible to lift one side efficiently and complete tire rotations without the inconvenience of visiting a shop. It saves time, adds convenience, and gives you greater control over your vehicle care routine. If you are looking for a reliable, low-clearance floor jack that combines safety, strength, and ease of use, check the link in the video description to get this extra low-profile hydraulic floor jack today. Subscribe to the channel to explore more practical tools that make vehicle maintenance simpler and more rewarding.